doing 12 weeks of protective styling, starting with this passion twist top knot. Now, you may remember that me and passion twists, we do not get along. But in the spirit of forgiveness, I'm going to give these girls another shot. I'm using Lulu Tress pre-looped passion twists in 24 inches in color T1B27. And I'm actually going to make a crochet hair drawstring ponytail. I'm using the Q-Fit ponytail net. Now, this is clearly not made for crochet hair, but it is easy to just force that crochet needle through and make it work. So with the latch open, push the needle through, hook a loop of the hair, close the latch, and then pull the hair through. Then do the same thing going back in the other direction. Then with the latch open, put the hook through the loop and hook it onto the hair itself. Close the latch, pull it through the loop, and tighten. I did that all the way around with 2.5 packs of hair. Boom, drawstring pony, done. Now for my hair, I'm going to do the illusion method. I'm going to section off ear to ear and then part that hair into squares, slick them down with braiding gel and braid each square and then connect the braids going back. I did 16 squares in the front and 5 in the back. Then I pulled all of that into a top knot. Okay, now I'm going to add my crochet hair. The hook slides under the braid with the latch open. You hook the loop of the hair, close the latch, and pull that twist through. Release the hook, then put it through the loop and pull the hair through itself, just like we did before. I did this all the way around, and now I'm going to attach the drawstring ponytail by tightening it around my bun. Wrap that elastic around several times and tuck it. Then pull all the hair into a top knot. And last, because I love me some tendrils, I'm going to take one of those pieces apart and then crochet them around the front. Define those curls with the Do Mousse Def texture curl. Get my baby hair together and boom, done.